How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this Chicco Keyfit 30 car seat into your vehicle without the base. Now, sometimes what happens is you might leave your base in your other car, whatever the situation you may be, or maybe you don't like using a base. This is the correct way of doing this, okay? So you have your seatbelt, you have your car seat facing backwards. The first step and the most important step of this is to make sure your seatbelt is locked. Right now you can see when I'm pulling this, it's retracting and it's going out and it's retracting. So how to lock it, what you have to do is you want to pull the seatbelt out all the way until you hear a click. Heard that click? That means your seatbelt's retracted out all the way, and when I bring it in, you'll hear this ratcheting mechanism. And that's your locking mechanism. So now you can see I tried pulling it out and it's locked in place, okay? So once you have that, that's how you know it's locked. So I wanted to explain that to you. What you want to do now is you want to run your seatbelt through. So you have your base right here, or you have your car seat right over there. I'll slide that in like that. This side, I'll slide it in just like that. And then I'm going to simply buckle in the seatbelt onto the mechanism. And now going back to the locking mechanism thing I was talking to you about earlier. Right now, again, I can't leave it like this because if you get an accident, it's not going to do anything. So now what I want to do is I want to grab the seatbelt, go out all the way until I hear that click, retract it in. What I like doing is I like kind of pushing down on the car seat and retracting in as much as I can. So I pull on this. Now I have a tight fit. Seatbelt, I'm pulling back. It's not going anywhere. That's how to properly do it. And these are the non-English instructions. So I'm going to go to the other side and show the English instructions. And it pretty much just says, or it shows you exactly what I showed you. Now, if you just have a lap belt, like sometimes cars in the middle seat have just a lap belt, older cars, you would do it like that. Obviously, we have a lap and shoulder belt over here. You see on this side, it kind of just says, hey, don't tuck it back into over here. Leave it just like that. And that's how you properly install this car seat. So I hope this video helps you. If you don't know how to do it, if you're doing it correctly, now you could do it the right way. If you want to see how to install the car seat with the base, I will show you that in another video. So subscribe to the channel. I can show you that in another video. Essentially what you'll be using is these anchors right over here. So these little car seat anchors, which are these things right there. It's very easy to do. And like I said, look for that video. I'll actually link it below in this one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.